Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if face unlock is not working on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. First, you want to make sure you have face unlock enabled. To do so, go into settings. Here scroll down to security and privacy, go into device unlock and then face unlock. Then confirm your pattern or password and see if it's enabled. Now, the first thing you can do if it is enabled and doesn't work is simply cleaning around your front camera, as your phone is going to use it for face unlock. Another thing you could try is, of course, making sure that during your scan you have a well-lit room. Turn on your lights, but make sure there isn't any glare or excessive lighting so that your face is just properly visible to your camera. And you can try redoing your face scan so you can confirm your pattern and then redo it. Then after you perform the face scan, as you can see, you can just continue through. And well, just remember that if you have glasses, start the scan with your glasses on and then take them off when it prompts you to. That way it will be able to properly detect your face regardless of whether you have or do not have glasses on your face at the given time. If you want to disable face unlock, simply go here again and tap delete face data, which will of course delete all of your face data off the phone. And if you have face unlock set up, which I'm going to do again, so if everything else fails and your face unlock still doesn't work, another thing you can try is to simply restart your phone. You can do so by pressing the volume up and power buttons at the same time and then tapping on restart, or going into the quick settings drawer and restarting from here. Another place you could look at is under settings. Try updating your system by going into system updates and then check for updates. Just make sure you're connected to the internet. But if all of this fails, just make sure you have good lighting during your use. And remember that if you have heavy makeup, it could also be messing up, especially if you didn't have that makeup during setup. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.